I know you are here to learn just how to make placket for your senator wear, but you won't be learning just that. For in this video, you will also be shown how to craft a beautiful pleat for your kaftan, as you can see on the screen. For this episode, it is the concluding episode of Ep.3 that discuss this design you're seeing on your screen in details. Welcome to NeedleMeister channel. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. First, let's talk about how to make plackets. This is a hard collar stay of length 16.25 inches and width 1.25 inches. To be honest with you, there is nothing much to say in this tutorial. All I want from you is to watch me while I do the placket for you. And this is gum. For the opening, I love it at 7.5 inches. I believe you understand the whole procedures. Now, let's go to the smaller plackets. Now let's fix this placket to the center front of our kaftan. Remember, we marked 7.5 on the placket for the opening. We are going to mark the same here. We made this neckline in the episode 2 of this tutorial. So if you've missed it, please check in the playlist. The episode 2 is there. First, we are going to fix the smaller plackets. Now to fix the placket, we will sew from the down to its top. Remember I mentioned to you in the episode 2 where we talk about the neckline that one of the things that add beauty to your neckline is letting your stitches be at the extreme edges. The same apply to placket. However, because of the folds that we have prepared here, sewing at the extreme edge of this placket will be quite difficult, so you are advised to be as slow as possible to ensure that. Before doing the close stitches here, ensure that the edge of your placket aligns well with your neckline. Now let's go to the folds that we've prepared in episode 1 that I said are like landmines ready for explosion. The essence of using iron to put gator on these folds is to balance well its center when doing this final stitch. For the fold we are about to do here, make sure it is not too close to the existing ones, as this may lead to tension or pull on your garment. Before stitching, make sure that the fold is not causing any form of pull or tension on your garment. You will agree with me that repeating the whole procedure on the other side will be considered unnecessary repetition. If you have been watching the video so far, you have not hit the like button, please do now. Appreciate me with your like button. It won't cost you a dime. And also, you talking to me in the comment section goes a long way in encouraging me to do more. Like I told you guys, I got a lot in store, but the fact that whenever I drop tutorials, I don't get feedbacks. That's why I love to do more of my funny content than tutorials. So you can change the narrative by engaging with me in the comment section. And also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so that when I drop amazing content like this again, you will be notified about it. Thank you all for what you have been to me so far on this platform. I so much appreciate you all.